Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we need to install the necessary dependencies. Use the next commands. Now create a dedicated directory to store the GPG keys for the Docker repository, and download Docker official GPG key with the next command. Now we need to install Docker Engine and Docker Compose. Use the following commands. Now we need to setting up Nginx Proxy Manager. Use the next command to create a new folder and jump into that folder immediately. Now create a new file, call it Docker Compose. This is the blueprint that tells Docker how to set up our proxy manager. In this file, we define our services we are mapping ports for the web traffic and for our admin panel. We also set up persistence volumes so our data and SSL certificate aren't lost when the container restarts. Finally, run the Docker Compose sub. This download the images and start the container in the background. Go into your web browser and navigate to your IP address with the next port to access the login dashboard. Now you can start work with Nginx Proxy Manager. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.